Good morning everyone. Today we have received this package from Amazon. I hope I got the correct package. So without further ado, let's open the package. Okay, there we go. That's a package. Yes, there we go. I got the right one. I ordered an RC car. Probably. Don't know why the remote is like that. Okay, let's open it. So, here we got the charger, the remote, probably. Yes. Yeah, there we go. That's the car we have ordered. Yes. So, the on button here. Yeah, wait. Let's just read the manual. Says this is you. You can even read that here. So you gotta on it.
On it.
So yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. How can you turn on this music? Says the second music. Third. This is fourth. And back to one. Press this 2 seconds to lower the volume or cancel it out entirely. Mute it. Turn it on. There you go. Then back. Take out all that garbage.
Demo mode.
Demo mode for this, you can do a 360 rotation, left and right. This, to go sideways.
கேமரா எங்கெல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு போறேன். தெரியல சரியா வராது அப்போ.
So guys, I'm on the demo
காமெண்ட்ரி
mode.
இருந்தவெல்லாம் மூடிடுவானே.
I'm turning on the demo mode.
ரெக்கார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு நான் தேவையில்லாதுதான்.
So yeah, that's the demo mode. Probably dangerous and close and run it. So guys, if you want like this car, you can check out the link from the comment section. Okay guys, stay tuned and goodbye.